Okay, back to the market, evening time. Like we promised, we hope that the camera will catch everything. The light is getting lower, the sun is setting. It's very loud. We have all sorts of transportation is always going through here, so hopefully you can hear us.
But this is not the big
No,
square.
no, this is the little square. We're on our way to a big square, but just to give a little bit of the feeling. So now it's about 6:30. So the weather is starting to get really nice. Yesterday we were walking here between 11 to 4, and well, let's say that we're never going to do that again. It's very hot. You have to be careful. You can get dehydrated very quickly. So, but going out after 5, you don't have a problem.
It's nice.
It's very nice.
Actually nice.
Yeah. Okay.
You still have a little bit of light, and the weather is not trying to kill you.
No, but it does get dark before 8.
Yes,
So if you go out after 5, you don't have too much time, too much light time. Okay, so a little bit more, even though I think we showed this yesterday during the day, but... Okay guys, so we're going to the center, to the main plaza, where they have the snakes. We wish we could show you the snakes, but I'm too scared to get near it. Yeah, that is the truth. And Natalie is not that big of a hero either when it comes to snakes. So you'll just have to believe us. They have cobras there, vipers, and they just hold them in their hand. It's crazy. I'm too much of a coward to get near. But we'll try to show you everything else and the food that we are going to eat very soon. Okay, so we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Nos vemos.
Nos vamos.
Nos vamos. Okay guys, welcome to Crazy Town.
Yeah. Crazy Square.
Crazy Square. So this is the main square of Marrakesh, the one that is very popular. And apparently if we want to eat in the food stands, we have to go in.
Yeah.
We have to go in. There's no way without going in. So for your viewing pleasure and for our taste buds, right?
No, the smell is
Amazing.
incredible.
No,
I wish I could describe it. It's all around us.
Yes, and if you like meat, barbecue smell,
Yeah.
oh, you're in paradise here. Okay, so over there, let's see if we can catch it. Over there are snakes. So we'll walk this way. We're going to keep our distance because I am already scared, but we'll try to get a little bit of it.
You are terrified.
Over there we have also. They want money because they saw me give him a little. No. Okay. Okay, come here. Okay, so the guy caught me filming the snake, so he wanted money. We gave him some money. I don't even know how much. Like 5 dinar. He was very upset. He wanted more, but hey, come on. Okay, so meat, a lot of meat, juice. Okay guys, so this is the madness. I don't even know if you can hear us. So this is the madness. And we're going to eat because we're starving. So we're going to eat and we're going to show you the food, and hopefully it's going to be worth it.
Hopefully that you will hear us because it's really nice.
We'll try to speak a little bit louder than usual. Hopefully you're going to like what you see, we're going to like what we eat, and let's have some more fun.
Yeah.
Wow, the smell here is crazy. Okay guys, so we'll see you later. Okay, so we apologize. Why do we apologize, Natalie?
Because we didn't show the food.
We didn't show the food, but there is a reason for it. Walking in this market in the food area is crazy. Every single food stand has 3 people who are hunting clients, and they are very aggressive.
Yes.
We said no about 100 times, and I'm not exaggerating, until one of the places managed to hunt us.
Yeah.
But
You cannot even look at what they're selling. Because,
no, they're very aggressive, which I think works against them, but hey, that's their system, right?
Yeah.
The food, on the other hand,
Amazing.
was amazing, and when we say amazing, Michelin star quality, like definitely
Yeah.
top notch. I'm at a loss of words. It was really good.
It was really. Yeah, we ate a dish called tangia.
Tangia, which is the local dish here.
Exactly.
It's lamb meat
And it's a very special lamb meat.
that was cooked for like many hours, soft as butter, and the sauce is amazing. And we had Moroccan soup,
Yes. Haria.
2 drinks, bread, sauce, tomato sauce, olives, everything together came out to about 7 euros, and we always tip really nicely. So we paid about 9 euros, but that includes like €2 tip, which is like 30% tip. So you don't have to do that. Generally, and they gave us also tea at the end for free. And they gave French fries for the baby for free. So overall, a great experience. Will we come back?
Yes, definitely.
Most definitely we'll come back. Whether to the same food stand, I don't think. We'll try someone else next time. Okay, so we do promise that we are going to eat in those stands a few more times in the future. So we are going to show you the food. This time it was a bit too crazy for us. Taking out the camera while they're hunting us and people are around was, well, we're sorry. We should have, but we didn't. So next time we will. Anyway, now is the market at night. We'll try to show you a little bit of it, but there's really not a lot of light. So I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see anything, but the little bit that you will see, I think is worth it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do a little panoramic for whoever is watching.
Of course.
And if you're watching, just so you know, we appreciate you, and we appreciate you putting in the time to watch our videos, and we are very, very thankful. Okay, so now let's see. So at night there are a lot of people, but there's a lot less traffic as far as motorcycles and cars. There's still motorcycles around, don't get me wrong, and you still need to watch your sides and be careful, but it's not as much as in the day. In the day this area is like a highway, but you still always need to be careful. As far as thieves, I'm sure some of you think Morocco dangerous. So far we didn't have any problems.
No.
We feel extremely safe. It doesn't mean you shouldn't be careful. I'm sure there are many pickpockets here, but I haven't felt anything of that sort. So
No, and people are walking around with their cameras, the cell phones.
yeah.
So here a little bit of traffic jam.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
But it gets
Yeah.
really nice because they've got all those small lamps all around the square, and some shops are still open.
Yeah.
So
And now it's only about 8, and this is going to go on until like 2 in the morning.
yes.
So just to give you a picture of what is happening. Okay, if you're in Morocco, definitely come to Marrakesh. It's a beautiful city, very inviting city. The people are extremely nice.
Hey! Hola!
Hola! And everybody's having fun here, as you can see.
Yes,
Yes, they are. Okay, guys. So we'll show you more of this. We're going to come here every day to eat, to enjoy, and we still need to buy shoes for the baby.
Yes.
baby shoes, but we're looking for authentic baby shoes from the area, so even when she grows out of it, we'll have some memory of our trip. Yeah, okay, so this video is getting a bit long.
Maybe look back just to close the video and say, we will say goodbye for now. So as you see, it's crowded.
It's very crowded, and still amazing. Many of the shops are still open. We'll talk about the negotiations later. It's not fun. Buying in the shops here, that's one thing that's not fun. But hey, each place to its own. Okay guys, this is getting a bit long.
Okay.
Whoever is still watching us way deep into this video, we appreciate you. Thank you for the support.
Thank you very much.
If you're new and you like what you see, please comment, like and subscribe. Yeah, and we'll be very grateful for that.
Keep tuned.
And we answer every single comment that you write. We do.
We do.
And we appreciate it as well. Okay guys, so nos vemos.
Y nos vamos.
Adios.